Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to GetResponse for webinar to sales conversion, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the GetResponse website. On the homepage, locate the sign up for free button. Click on the button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. Once verified, log in to your GetResponse account. On your dashboard, navigate to the Webinars section. Click on Create Webinar to start setting up your first webinar. Enter a title and description for your webinar. Select the date and time for your webinar. Choose your time zone accordingly. Decide whether the webinar will be public or private. Configure the registration options, including custom questions if needed. Click Save to proceed to the next step. Once your webinar is created, you'll access the registration page. Copy the registration link provided. Share the link with your audience through email or social media. Next, navigate to the email marketing section. Create an email campaign to promote your webinar. Write an engaging subject line and message to encourage signups. Include the registration link in your email. Schedule the email to be sent at a strategic time. After your webinar concludes, follow up with attendees. Provide a special offer to convert attendees into customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.